Organizations spend over $350 billion globally on leadership development. Yet, studies show less than 15% of leadership trainings translates into sustained behavioral change. That's not a learning problem, it is a design problem. Most leadership trainings fail because it teaches concepts, not context. Leaders leave inspired, but return to systems that punish ownership, avoid hard conversations, and reward short-term compliance. Training without structural alignment becomes motivation, not transformational. The cost is real. Organizations with poor leadership pipelines face up to 2 times higher turnover and slower execution. You don't build leaders in classrooms alone. You build them in decision rights, accountability systems, and real pressure. Leadership isn't taught. It is designed, practiced, and reinforced. My name is Emily Ase House.